How to add username on the Spendee app. Are you guys facing issues to add username on the Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Spendee application, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this menu icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, look at the first option where you can see this profile icon. Tap on it. Now write down your name, and that's it guys. That's how we're going to write our username on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Spendee, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.